Hi folks, this is Charlie Fuller. I'm at the gym here. It's too noisy, I can't hear myself, so I had to make a separate recording. But what we're going to be doing today is going and using some different cardiovascular machines. The reason I like to go to a gym, they're all over the place, and it's an easy, fast way to get a good cardio. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And we're going to start by using the stair stepper. And so I'm going to hop up on the stair stepper, and I typically will spend somewhere in the neighborhood of 13 or 14 minutes, and my target is to burn 200 calories. So that's typically what I do on, say, Tuesdays and Thursdays on this machine. I alternate with some of the other machines, but that's what I do on this one. And so at the very end here, you're going to see where I'm going to take and kind of slow down, and then I'm also going to kind of leapfrog to the next step. So there's lots of ways you can use this piece of machinery. This particular machine is something like an elliptical. It's just a little bit different, but this is another one of my machines. I want to burn 200 calories on this, and so what I'll do is I'll take about 22 minutes to burn 200 calories on this one, but this is one of my alternative go-to cardio machines. Here we have just a regular elliptical machine. Well, on these, I typically will spend somewhere in the neighborhood of like 15 minutes, and with that, I can burn 150 calories. And so this is very popular with the senior crowd. You don't have any pounding on your knees, and it gets a good cardio. There's another machine that I use quite often. My regimen on this is to use it for 15 minutes and usually burn 150 calories. I like the movement on it because your feet are going in somewhat of a circular movement, and that's good for your hip flexors, but that's another great cardio machine that I have available at the gym. What we have here is the old infamous rowing machine. It's one of my favorite machines. I'm working my legs, working my back, working my chest, working my arms all at the same time. That's one of my favorite go-to workout machines, and it's great for cardio. Yeah, here's another really great machine. You're working your legs, you're working your arms, all simultaneously. You can put a good resistance on it, and again, get a good heart rate out of it. So this is a very popular machine for a good cardio workout. One of my favorites. Thank you.